To me, Nordic Business Forum is a challenge where you can really learn a lot about yourself.
I would describe Nordic Business Forum as the willingness and the courage to learn more.
Team spirit and happiness.
It will inspire you.
I wanted to become a customer service team leader because I wanted to develop my leadership skills.
To find out if I had the leadership skills inside of me.
I wanted to improve my skills and help people discover themselves.
I gained more self-awareness, and with that I can also work with my weaknesses better nowadays.
I also learned how to help others to shine.
I was surprised how much responsibility we were given. I knew we were gonna get responsibilities, but people in Nordic Business Forum really trusted us.
I have learned also so much about leading in different styles, in different ways with different people.
Stepping out of your comfort zone actually teaches you a lot more than you can actually ever imagine.
Yeah.
Being part of this journey gave me a lot of new leadership skills.
Not to hide out behind my shyness, but really shine and be out there.
This experience taught me how diversity can be a great power in a team.
I learned how to use other people's strengths to combine a really good team.
And I realized that I want to be a leader myself one day.
There's nothing to compare to this journey.
I got to be part of something bigger.
Journey for me has been amazing. I met a lot of people that I really like. I love them, and
I just felt so euphoric and proud of our whole team since we work so well together.
The feeling of support and community was such a strong feeling.
It really is a once-in-a-lifetime moment.
I would definitely recommend this experience for anybody who wants to get to know themselves better.
There is unique people and spirit in here in Nordic Business Forum.
Be part of something what will change your life.
If I had to leave you with one sentence, it would be, there are no experiences you wouldn't learn from.
Always believe in yourself. Your words and actions have power.
If you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together.